Okay, welcome to SEPAM. Today we are looking at the part 2 video of the solution to IGCSE Paper 4 Variant 2, October-November 2023. We did a part 1 which includes question 1 to 6. So this video is for the part 2, but I just decided to let's use the live paper instead of using the normal way I'll be preparing video on this channel. So today let's dive in. Question 7 is on electromagnetic waves. So let's look at the question. As you can see, figure 7.1, that is this figure here, shows some uses of electromagnetic radiation and different regions of electromagnetic spectrum. So this side you have the region of electromagnetic spectrum. We're given gamma ray, radio wave, infrared, and visible light. Then on the left hand side you have the uses of each of the region: Bluetooth, thermal imaging, photography of people face, sterilizing medical equipment. So now a line, you have to be able to match the uses to the region. So Bluetooth make use of radio wave. So you are expected to. So question 7a, draw a line from each use to the correct region. So let's do that. So when Bluetooth has been done, so the next one is thermal imaging. So to do that, you use the infrared region. So you draw a line from there. So let's do that. Okay, very good. So we are through with that. Then the next one, photography. To carry out photography, what do you use? You use visible light to take photograph. So you use visible light. Then sterilizing medical equipment to kill germs, you have to make use of gamma ray. So it has the ability to kill germs because of the radiation. So for doing this, you have 2 marks. Now, question 7b, state the speed of electromagnetic wave in a vacuum. Speed of electromagnetic wave in a vacuum. All this electromagnetic spectrum, each of those radiation have the same speed as the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 raised to the power 8 or 300 million meter per second. So that is the speed of the electromagnetic spectrum. So now the next one we're going to look at is question 7c. A Bluetooth headset can be used to listen to music on a mobile phone without the need for wires to connect the headset to the phone. Of course, all of us are used to that. You have Bluetooth, so you know how it operates. Now, the question here, the headset uses frequency in the range from 2.4 to 2.48 gigahertz. Gigahertz, this is a prefix. This means 10 raised to the power 9. So that means billion. Now, calculate the wavelength of the radio wave when the frequency is in the middle. So this word here, so take note of this word here, in the middle of the wavelength. So we have the middle of the frequency range. So the first thing for us to do to get this one is to get what is the middle of this frequency range from 2.4 to 2.48. So we need to get the frequency range, which is the middle value. And to do that, so let's get f, which is the frequency, from the value given to us. So the middle is going to be addition of the 2 extremes, then you divide it by 2. So 2.4 plus 2.48 divided by 2. So if you add that, that will give you 4.88 divided by 2. So that will be 2.44 gigahertz. So the frequency is equal to 2.44 times 10 raised to the power 9 hertz. Okay, now we are going to find the wavelength. So to get wavelength is equal to speed of light divided by frequency. So that would be, what is the wavelength? 3 times 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second divided by the middle frequency 2.44 times 10 raised to the power 9 hertz. So if you do that division, that will be 0.123 meter. So that is the value. So for doing this, so let's see, this is for 3 marks. So how are the marks awarded? So for solving this, even if you don't get this final answer, if you can get this, you have 1 mark here. Okay. For also, if you state this formula, for stating the formula, this relationship here, you also have 1 mark. Then for carry out your calculation, you have 1 mark. So these are the 3 marks there. So this value, we put it in 2 significant figures, that is 0.12 meter. So always make sure you write the unit. So now, question 7CII. Suggest why a Bluetooth headset only works well over short distances. Very good. All right. Now, the actual reason is that radio waves get weaker as distances increases, especially when it has to involve a wall in between the phone and the Bluetooth headset. So what is your answer here? Radio waves get weaker as distances increase, especially passing through walls between the phone and, so for that you get 1 mark. But for this, I'm going to tell you to carry out a little exercise to demonstrate the weakness of your Bluetooth when there is a wall between your phone and the headset. So I want you to connect your phone. So you have your phone, connect your phone to your Bluetooth headset. So leave the phone on your reading table. Leave the phone on your reading table. Then connect to your website. Then play your favorite music while listening to the Bluetooth. Try to walk away from the Bluetooth so that you can see to how far, what will be the distance, the maximum distance that your phone can remain connected to the Bluetooth. You discover that if there is a barrier between you and the Bluetooth, the distance is going to reduce significantly. So with this, we have been able to get all the 7 marks in this question 7.
And there you have it, a comprehensive solution to question 7 of the IGCSE Physics Paper 4, Variant 2, October-November 2023. Remember, practice makes perfect, so rewatch this video as many times as needed to solidify your understanding. For more expert guidance and solutions, stay tuned for our upcoming videos on questions 8, 9, and 10. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Super Easy Physics and Mathematics channel for more helpful content. See you in the next video.